What's good, y'all? Akil here, back with another video, and today I'm going to share one of my favorite cross-listing apps with you guys, and it's actually called Crosslist. So Crosslist is an app that helps you share all of your products on different platforms such as eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, Facebook Marketplace. You could even share it on Grailed and Depop as well as a few other platforms. But for me, I primarily sell on eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. So today I'm going to give you guys somewhat of like a brief tutorial, show you guys how I use this app and how it helps me save a ton of time throughout my day, because as you guys know, I'm a busy dad, busy husband, and I got a ton of things going on right now. So this app is super simple, super easy. So I'll give you guys just some of the services that it uses and why I like it so much. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, y'all. So here I am on my desktop, and I'm kind of old school with it. I even list my items from eBay. I list everything directly from the desktop. With Crosslist, I prefer using desktop as well because it's like a desktop app and you just install it into your web browser, which makes it a lot easier as well because it kind of integrates all of your different platforms that you sell on, whether it's Mercari, Poshmark, eBay, all of the different ones. They basically just integrate it into your browser. So that means you don't have to log into each individual platform. So like I said, that just makes things a lot easier and a lot more smoother for you to list and just save a ton of time. But anyway, let's just jump straight into it. Here is the Crosslist dashboard. And first thing what I like to do is just start importing those listings. So for the example for today, I'm just going to import items from Poshmark and put them into Mercari. I'm trying to just boost up my Mercari, my Mercari store. I don't sell a ton of stuff on there, but, by using Crosslist, I'm going to start, bolstering up my Mercari sales. So I already imported this. So let's just go ahead and do this blazer, this Fair God sweater, and let me just throw up this, let's throw up these Kobe's. All of these are on eBay as well, but none of these items are on Mercari. So let's just go ahead and import the 4 of those things. And let me just show you how fast that is, because I didn't even finish like talking about it yet and it's already imported. So let's go to the inventory. Now, once you import it, now these are a part of your inventory in Crosslist. So that means you can put these anywhere. So as you guys can see right here, this is the origin. So it came from Poshmark and it's currently listed on Poshmark. So what we're going to do now is we're going to bulk post, and bulk post just means just that. We're going to post all 4 of these items onto Mercari. You're going to choose the platform, what you want to put it onto, and go ahead and post. These are already on eBay, so I don't need to go ahead and do that. And I'm glad I'm using this example from Mercari because what they do is that it opens up 4 different tabs for the 4 different items that you're going to be listing. And it does this because with Mercari in particular, Mercari needs the shipping information. They need the weight and basically the weight of the package. So for those Kobe's, I'm just going to scale up and I'm just going to say those are 2 pounds. They're a little less than 2, but it's an approximation. So we're just going to go ahead and do that. Once you hit post, it's just uploading those photos onto Mercari, and before you know it, it's going to be done. Look at that, successfully posted. And that's it. I found these Kobe's for $25 in my thrift. I picked these up probably at like 6:30 at night. So this was a crazy find. Really great condition, amazing condition. So very happy about this. It didn't sell yet, but I priced mine kind of aggressive. So we'll see if it sells on Mercari a little faster. Next is this Fair of God sweater. As you can see, all of the details, the title, everything is imported successfully. The price is right. Actually, let me price this one a little bit lower. Let's just put that at 69 bucks. And this sweater is, let's scale up again. It's probably 2 pounds, probably a little less, but let's just scale up because like I said, it's an approximation. Just going to upload the photos first. And successfully posted. This one took maybe 5 seconds for that one to post. And next we're going to do this Officine General blazer. First time I seen this brand, but I had to pick it up. So took some decent photos of this one. This one was brand new with tags as well. I priced this one pretty high. Since this is going on Mercari, let's put this one for just a tad bit cheaper. Let's say $179. And same thing with this blazer. Let's just say it's 2 pounds. and we're just going to go ahead and post that. Queuing the listing, uploading the images, and posting the listing. Successfully posted. And we're breezing through this, y'all. Like, I didn't even need to do this many examples, but I'm actually getting work done here while I'm showing you how I do these. And last but not least, we're going to put this Lubium. I think it's pronounced Lubium, but LBM is typically, what I say anytime I find these. Really good high quality blazer. I got this for $79. Let's put this for $69 on there. Because Mercari, they have their tricky fees and stuff like that. So I'm just going to keep that into consideration. Some people do free shipping. Some people don't. I try not to do free shipping anymore. Shipping is, everything's getting more expensive. Buyers understand that. Buyers are comfortable with paying for shipping as long as it's not ridiculous. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. So we got those listed, right? Let me open up Mercari so you guys can see it for yourself. Selling. And they are posted. They are all posted on there. We have that blazer. We have the Fear of God sweater. And we have those Kobe's. All of those are posted in my Mercari store. So very, very simple, very easy. I'm just able to put more products in front of more potential buyers and increase some sales. So I'm definitely happy with that. And like I said, if you guys have questions, drop that in the comment section. If you guys just want to check out the price and information and all the extra details about Crosslist, I'll make sure I put my affiliate link so that you guys can check it out and just see if it makes sense for you and your business. Because some people, if you sell on Facebook Marketplace and you primarily only sell, furniture, and you might just want to post items from Facebook Marketplace to Etsy and Vinted, well, there you go. It could help you in that situation. But if you're a clothing seller / electronic seller like myself, you may want to post it on eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, Facebook, Depop, everything. You know what I mean? You have your, your prerogative. So just wanted to give you guys a quick tutorial so you guys can check it out. Let me know if you guys got any questions. All right, y'all. So as you guys can see, Crosslist is a really simple and easy app for you guys to use. And it's one of those apps that I've been using a ton lately because it frees up a ton of my time, especially since time is so limited right now for me. As you guys know, I'm a busy husband, busy father, so I don't have a ton of time to resell as I used to. I was the one that used to, go sourcing every single day, list a ton of items every day. And honestly, I just don't have that type of time anymore. But with the help of Crosslist, it allows me to just list on multiple different platforms, gets my items in front of a ton of different people, and it helps bring in some more sales. So if you guys are looking for a simple and quick and easy type of platform for you guys to use out there, see, that's my kids already knocking on the door. They're definitely waiting for me. So like I said, if you guys are looking for any type of platform similar like this to, help you boost up your sales and just gain some more money at the end of the day, Crosslist is the app for you guys to use. So if you guys have any questions, drop that in the comment section below. And if you guys are interested in using Crosslist, definitely go ahead and use my affiliate link in the description box below. But that's all I have for today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.